मुझे भी करोड़पति।
Ladies and gentlemen, भावी भरकम स्टेज सारे winners जिन्होंने इतिहास रचाया स्टेज पर है in the 49th Indian Gems and Jewelry Awards IGJA. I am so privileged to see each one of you in Namaskar Mel Siddharth Kanan, and right after this the dinner is going to be over. I request you all to join us for dinner where we shall network, connect with each other heart to heart, soul to soul. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, अर्ज किया है जिंदगी खूबसूरत है, जिंदगी से प्यार करो।
जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं हमारे देश के वो महान हस्ती सब है जो हमारे देश के विश्व में बिजनेस में टॉप लेवल पर ले गया। जैसे चीफ गेस्ट इंडियन मिनिस्टर पीयूष गोयल जी के हाथों सम्मानित किया जा रहा है अवार्ड, जो हिंदुस्तान नहीं पूरा वर्ल्ड में हमारा डंका पीट रहा है बिजनेस का। GIA अवार्ड फंक्शन में आपको दिख रहा है ऑल ओवर इंडिया का जो बेस्ट डिजाइनर हो, ज्वेलरी डिजाइनर हो, एवरीथिंग जो भी है सब अपने अपने कला का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं और जो अच्छे हिंदुस्तान के नाम रोशन करने जा रहे हैं उन सभी लोगों को पीयूष गोयल साहब ने अपने हाथों से सम्मानित किया। क्यों किया? क्योंकि हमारे हिंदुस्तान के नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं। उभरते हुए एक नए दिशा हैं जिसे मोदी सरकार में और सबको सम्मानित कर रहे हैं। मोदी सरकार साहब सबको सम्मानित करता है जो देश के लिए करना चाहता है काम। पीयूष गोयल साहब भी उसी में से एक है जो हर वाह सुपर, क्या बात, क्या बात,
ये वो लोग हैं जो इतिहास बनाते हैं अपनी ऑनेस्टी, इंटेग्रिटी, मेहनत के साथ।
क्या बात,
of course, showing the world how dreams can be achieved. Thank you so much. Can I request Shri Anup Mehta ji to address the audience on this memorable achievement of lifetime award.
थैंक यू।
ये सेक्टर्स भी भारत में तेज गति से बढ़ रहे हैं। करोड़ों ऐसे लोग हैं जो इस सेक्टर के साथ डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली जुड़े हुए हैं। लाखों लोगों को नौकरी इस सेक्टर में मिलती है और आगे चल के जब हम विकसित भारत का काम पे उसको अचीव करने के लिए, उसको सच्चाई में परिवर्तन करने के लिए सब काम करते हैं, तो मैं समझता हूँ इस सेक्टर का भी बहुत बड़ा रोल रहेगा। मैं बधाई देता हूँ सभी आज के अवार्ड विनर्स को और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि आगे ये सेक्टर 2 गुना 4 गुना और तरक्की।
Stakeholder, which has also completed 50 years this year in helping the industry in its ambitious goals. The Bharat Diamond Bourse has played a very important role and done human service to ensure the orderly growth of the sector and to provide that infrastructure which helps our exporters reach high quality products to the rest of the world. I am happy to share with you that the work at SEEPS to set up a common services center, common facilities center is progressing very well. The mega CFC coming up at SEEPS is a joint initiative of SEEPS and the GJEPC, and I'd like to congratulate all of you for your contribution, for your efforts in bringing to Mumbai a truly world-class common facilities center which will help industries both within SEEPS and I do hope it will help the industries outside SEEPS also, and the necessary framework will be designed between SEEPS and the GJEPC so that all of you stakeholders can benefit from the common facilities center. We laid the foundation stone on 18th December 2021. We finalized the plans in the middle of 22. Work has started, I think, about 4 or 5, 6 months ago. And we do hope that by Ganesh. Thank you. GJEPC for giving me this opportunity to meet all the captains of industry, and all our diamonds who have made today and today's event possible. Thank you very much, Shri Kiran Bansali ji, Vice Chairman, for your leadership of the sector and for always being there with a smiling face, even in the midst of difficulties and adversity between government and the industry to ensure an orderly growth and development. Shri Mr. Frank Gerkins, your country truly has been a pillar of support for this industry, and we are grateful to you for your support. Shri Sriram Natarajan ji, Shri Sabyasachi Ray ji, Shri Arup Mehta ji, Mr. Pandit from the Patents Office, the Chief of the Patents and Designs Office, my colleague Shri Raj Purohit ji, former Minister in the Government of Maharashtra, Mr. Jagannathan and his whole team, the custom officials, everybody working in seats to make industry carry out their work seamlessly. All the other award winners today who have truly made the nation proud with your outstanding achievements and whose hard work is being recognized at this award function today. Captains of industry who have given leadership to the GJEPC over the years, former chairman, former office bearers, other industry stakeholders. I think it's a labor of love to work in an organization because it's quite a thankless job to be an office bearer of an organization. You get beaten from both sides. The government also is all the time berating you, and industry has, of course, high expectations from you. It's always a tough job to be a member of the board of governors, a member of the managing committee, and I thank each one of you and all the past office bearers for your leadership of this industry, which has taken it to such heights so that we can not only celebrate your achievements, but also boldly plan for a glorious future in the years to come. I have absolutely no doubt that each of these award winners and those who did not receive an award but were surely aspirants will all work collectively in the spirit of healthy competition to continue to persevere, to continue to do your industry proud, and will, I am sure, in the years to come, A, get encouraged by the award you have received, B, get encouraged that next year you want to continue to receive the award. Those who are left behind should be wanting to beat the incumbents, and that's the healthy competition that will make this industry prosper in the years to come. You are all truly talented in your industry, in the work that you are doing, very astute business persons, and I would really like to compliment you for leaving a mark almost throughout the world with the high quality products, the beautiful design, your marketing skills, and even in the midst of turmoil, even in the midst of adversities, the way this industry has done the nation proud, the way you have continued to persevere and get exports going, particularly in the post-COVID world, despite the war in Ukraine, I am really delighted that your industry has achieved good results and has also shown good promise in the years to come.